Tiny. Oh, you are not cooperating at all.
I told you.
See, like.
I got your foot. Yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, Tiny.
Aww.
Can we play happily? Is that a word, happily?
No, you made it up.
But she would never hurt me for real, because that's my little fuzz bucket and I love her.
Okay.